In this video we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to clean a leather jacket effectively and offer some additional tips for leather care. A leather jacket is a timeless and stylish addition to any wardrobe. Its durability and natural beauty make it a cherished garment that can last for years if properly cared for. Cleaning and maintaining your leather jacket is essential to keep it looking its best and ensure its longevity. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Wait for the tips for leather care at the end of this video. Preparing for cleaning. Before starting the cleaning process, gather the necessary supplies. You will need a soft cloth or sponge, a mild leather cleaner, warm water, a clean towel, and a leather conditioner. It's crucial to use products specifically designed for leather to avoid any damage. Spot test. Perform a spot test on an inconspicuous area of the leather jacket, such as the inside lining, to ensure that the cleaner doesn't cause any adverse effects or discoloration. Removing surface dirt and dust. Using a soft cloth or sponge, gently wipe the surface of the leather jacket to remove any loose dirt, dust, or debris. This step is essential to prevent these particles from scratching the leather during the cleaning process. Cleaning the leather. Dampen the soft cloth or sponge with warm water and apply a small amount of mild leather cleaner. Gently rub the cleaner onto the leather jacket in a circular motion, focusing on any areas with stains or marks. Avoid excessive water or soaking the leather, as it can damage the material. Wipe away the cleaner with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. Drying the jacket. After cleaning, pat dry the leather jacket using a clean towel. Avoid using heat sources or direct sunlight for drying, as it can cause the leather to crack or fade. Instead, allow the jacket to air dry naturally in a well-ventilated area. Conditioning and moisturizing. Once the leather jacket is completely dry, apply a leather conditioner using a soft cloth. Leather conditioner helps restore moisture and replenish natural oils, keeping the leather soft and supple. Follow the product instructions for the application and buff gently to enhance the jacket's shine. Tips for leather care. 1. Avoid using harsh chemicals or solvents on leather, as they can cause damage and discoloration. 2. Store your leather jacket in a cool, dry place to prevent mold or mildew growth. Use a breathable garment bag or wrap it in a soft cotton cloth to protect it from dust and light. 3. Keep your leather jacket away from direct sunlight, as prolonged exposure can fade the color and dry out the leather. 4. If your leather jacket gets wet, allow it to air dry naturally. Avoid using a hairdryer or heat source to speed up the drying process, as it can cause shrinkage or damage. 5. Regularly brush your leather jacket with a soft bristled brush to remove any surface dust and keep the leather looking fresh. Taking proper care of your leather jacket, including regular cleaning and conditioning, will help maintain its beauty and extend its lifespan. By following the step-by-step cleaning guide outlined in this video and implementing additional leather care tips, you can ensure that your leather jacket remains a cherished wardrobe staple for years to come. Remember, a little effort in maintaining your leather jacket goes a long way in preserving its timeless appeal. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck and see you in the next video.